In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Shane. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the coupon field and how to make sure your discount is actually applied before you pay. First, open the Sheen app on your phone or head to the Sheen website in your browser. Use whichever you prefer. The process is the same. If you have an account, being signed in can help your coupons and points sync correctly, but you can browse without signing in if you like. Keep in mind that some coupons depend on your region and currency, which is set by your location and account settings. Next, add the items you want to your cart. Take a moment to choose the right size, color, and quantity, and glance at the item details. Some coupons exclude certain categories, flash sales, or marketplace items, so it's smart to check eligibility as you shop. Remember, most discounts apply to the merchandise subtotal before taxes and shipping. When you're ready, tap or click the cart icon to open your cart. Here, review everything at a glance: item variations, prices, and estimated totals. If you see any surprises, adjust your items now, since your coupon will calculate based on what's in this list. From the cart, tap Checkout to move forward with all items, or choose Buy Now if you're purchasing a single item immediately. Either option brings you to the checkout screen where you'll enter your code. On the checkout page, scroll down until you see the coupon code or promo code section. On some devices, this area may appear as a collapsible section called something like Coupons or Promotions. Open it if needed so you can access the input box. Now enter or paste your coupon code exactly as it appears. If you copied it from an email or a banner, paste it carefully to avoid extra spaces. Codes often have rules like minimum spend, expiration dates, or restrictions for new users only, so accuracy matters. Finally, tap Apply. Watch for the subtotal to refresh and confirm the discount has been deducted. You should see the coupon listed and the amount saved reflected in the order summary. If the discount doesn't appear, look for a small note explaining why. Common reasons include expired codes, not meeting the minimum spend, or items that aren't eligible. If that happens, double-check your code and the items in your cart and try again with a valid code. That's it. Once the discount shows up and you're happy with the total, you're all set to proceed with your purchase whenever you're ready.